So today we've got ourselves a Radeon HD 5450 graphics card, 1GB. We're going to be installing that today, and we've also got USB 3 ports that we're going to put in today. First of all, you're going to need yourself a nice anti-static mat with anti-static wristband, so you don't want to break the PC, and obviously a screwdriver, a pair of scissors if you need them. So when you first take the screwdrivers off, when you use the screwdriver to take the screws out, and put them in a safe place, I should probably put them on a piece of paper there, but they should be fine. Remove the lid, put it under the table, keep it nice out of the way so no one trips. And with the USB 3 ports, don't worry about that cable right now. I don't know if the camera wants to come and take a closer look. You can see it there quite nicely. So that's your 4 USB 3 slots, that's how you plug it into the computer, and that just slides into these little ports down here. So you want to put it in that way, because that rests up on there nicely, so you can put a screw in to keep it tight. And you want to apply an even pressure so you don't bend the pins, nice until you hear the clap, there we go. And just put a screw in there when you're done, to make sure it's nice and secure. And there's a screwdriver. You want to make sure you've done it all nice and tight, so when you plug them in, you don't want to just push it, cave it in. You're also going to want to grab one of these cords and plug that into the clear plastic part here, that'll give it power. If I can find the right way to put it in. There we go, so that's that done. If I just tighten that up a little bit more. And next up is the Radeon graphics card. Take that out of the packet. Now this one doesn't need to be plugged in with any of these cables because it gets all its power straight from the motherboard. And it's going to go in this blue socket there. And again, you want to put it this way up, make sure it sits nice and tight on there. So when you line it up nice and proper, again, nice even pressure, he says. And there you go, click, it's in. Now, just put that in there, screw it down. Again, nice and tight, don't want any loose connections. Ooh. Not doing very well here. So there we go, that's that all done for today. These might get in your way, just pop them out from the bottom down here. And once you're all done, screws all back in. Put the lid back on. And then screw back in the appropriate holes. And when you come to use the PC, you want to make sure you put it into the brand new graphics card holder so you don't end up using the old one, even though you've just plugged it into a brand new one. There we go, thank you very much. Thanks for watching the video. See you later.